This is a lemon that has come from a volunteer plant from the compost that we had from the lemon that we had used and composted the remaining. So the seeds of the fruits that we had eaten has formed this lemon plant, and I have 7 such plants on my terrace. And yeah, so this plant is 4 or 5 years old now. I really don't remember exactly. And this is growing in a small pot. This is a thermocol box and this is a discarded pot. So I brought it home and I filled it with the potting mix. And this is, see, about 10 inch in height, and about 1, 2.5, about 15 inch or so, little more than a foot and a half wide, and equally long. So it's a small thermocol box that we use either to buy chemicals or some very precious stuff comes in it. So as you can see, this is a woody stem. So lemon plant is actually a tree, and it has a very woody stem. So all that applies for woody stem, as we discussed earlier about keeping wooden chips or coconut shell will all apply to keeping a lemon plant. This plant is growing on the 2nd floor of our terrace, and it requires full sunlight. So it is sitting in full sunlight. One important thing about taking care of lemon plant is that you need to mulch it really well, because it's got some aerial roots. So when the aerial roots appear onto the top surface, we don't want it to be exposed to air or sunlight and allow it to dry. We shouldn't allow it to dry. Therefore, the pot should always be well mulched. When you add compost or whatever nutrition, you should move it off like this. Add your nutrition into that and cover the mulch back. It's a good idea to once in a year or once in a year and a half to remove the topsoil. About so much, about an inch or 2, you remove the topsoil and add fresh compost to it, and again mulch it off. That's really beautiful for the lemon plant. So this lemon plant is about 4 feet tall, this 4 feet tall, and has yielded pretty well in the past. Even now, this being end of September, beginning of October, this is yielding pretty well. It's got new roots and fruits on it that are ripening. Okay. So the potting mix is again 1:1:1 of initial potting mix when you realize that there's a new sapling. Let me show you another lemon plant that is there growing on my. This is another lemon plant. This is not a lemon, actually this is a Mosambi, but again this is a volunteer. So if you're composting, these are all rich dividends that compost gives you. Look at this, it hasn't flowered yet. This is 2 years old and it is standing in a tub. This is a paint tub, and you can see there are many drainage holes in the tub, right? All these are drainage holes, so it needs really well draining soil to grow in, and I'm really waiting for this year this should yield. So as I said, I have many of these plants that have come voluntary. Now what is it that these lemon plants need? Lemon plants love buttermilk, very dilute buttermilk. If you can dilute once or twice a week and give it, really dilute till the water looks just pale yellow. Take about half a teaspoon of buttermilk or curd and mix it with 1 liter of water. So that lemon plants really love to have, and you can really see the bloom. When you water the plant, you water it with spray watering it, so that the leaves are also getting wet. Lemon plants really love when it becomes wet, and the leaves, I believe, also breathe, because leaves also have such a beautiful flavor of lemon. Okay, so so you have buttermilk, and of course you have to give it rich compost once in 2 weeks or so, depending on the size of the container. The size of the container is big and you're able to add more, you can limit it to once in 15 days, otherwise once in 2 weeks. Now when it starts flowering, you need to make sure that you give it some calcium, powdered eggshells and banana peel. So I like to dry banana peel and powder it and add it to the compost that I'm adding. Especially this is a special special dessert for the plants which are fruiting. So we take care of fruiting plants. I always tell my friends, we take care of fruiting plants as though they are pregnant women. It's that much of care you have to give plants that are fruiting. Okay, so keep it happy, talk to it. Lemon plants love vicinity or proximity of people. So keep the lemon plant close to you And yeah, it's not at all a difficult plant to grow. Once it is caught on, it will really stay with you for a long time. It's a very hardy plant. As you can see, it's a woody plant. Okay, now this keeps yielding throughout the year. What you have to do is, whenever your fruits are mature and you remove it, you prune it. It's very important for trees to be pruned. So you cut it, or cut off that much of the branch, because new branches that come will yield more and more fruit. So each time, for every tree, this is true. Whenever you have a any kind of tree, the fruits are over, you prune it and allow the new leaves to come. Now, one more thing. When your plant, during season, when the butterflies are just figuring out, oh wow, there are plants in this particular place, and they start coming, the butterflies would want to put larvae on them. Okay, so leave the larvae there. The larvae will grow on your terrace, or wherever you are growing, and it is going to suck all the juices from your terrace, and that will make it their home. So your terrace will always have plants, pollinators, which will help you pollinate. That's a very important thing to do, because these flowers are so small, it's almost next to impossible to hand pollinate them like we might want to do with the other bigger plants. So lot of butterfly will come and put their larvae, and you will have a lot of butterflies coming into your terrace, which are necessary for pollination. And certain kinds of butterflies really love the lemon plant. So it's not at all a difficult thing. Compost whatever you have. You'll get a lot of saplings from compost, and allow them to grow. Allow them all to grow. So before you do weeding, look at each of your plants carefully, and then you weed. If there's some lemon plant or something growing, don't throw it. I'll show you one more which has come as a volunteer, and it is this one here. This is a volunteer that has come. It came in this pot, and so I haven't removed it, because by the time I realized this is growing, it had already had a woody stem. So this is a year and a half now, hasn't yielded much, because this is growing with something else. I'll talk about this plant another time. But so volunteers keep coming. Keep an eye on them. I have yet one more volunteer that's growing. I'll show you. It's here. That's a butterfly. So here, this one is a new lemon plant that has come. Must not be more than 3 or 4 months old. It's come in this pot where something else was growing. Yeah, so I don't throw any of these volunteers. I just keep them, and they become a part of my garden. Yeah, happy growing. Bye.